How to take pictures of the sun, moon, or sky on iPhone. First of all, from the home screen, tap on the camera app to open it. Once you're on the camera screen, make sure that photo is selected at the bottom. Aim at the sun, moon, or sky and compose the frame. Now, tap and hold on the subject to lock focus and exposure. After locking the focus, you can drag the sun slider down to tame glare, or up to brighten a dim sky. Once you're done, you can tap on 0.5x for a wider sky, or tap on 2x to get closer to the moon. Set it according to your preference. In low light, tap on the night mode icon when it appears on the top left for more detail. Hold the phone steady and tap on the shutter to capture the photo. Tap on the thumbnail to preview, then return to the camera to continue. Following these steps, you can easily take pictures of the sun, moon, or sky on iPhone.